The Corsair K65 RGB Mini 60% mechanical gaming keyboard offers big performance and functionality in a compact design. The K65 RGB Mini features two operating modes, which we'll refer to as hardware mode and software mode. Hardware mode kicks in when iCUE is not running on your Mac or PC, or if you connect the keyboard to a device that doesn't support iCUE. To change the lighting of your K65 RGB Mini when in hardware mode, hold the function key and press the C key to change the lighting effect. To reset the lighting effect, press and hold both the function and C keys. To change the direction of a lighting effect, press the function and V keys. To change the speed of a lighting effect, press both the function and B keys. The K65 RGB Mini has other shortcuts to enable special functions on the keyboard. Press function plus Z to change the profile. The Z key will change colors depending on the profile. Function plus X will adjust the backlighting. Function plus the Windows key will engage WinLock. And function plus Tab will enable scroll lock. You can also record macros on the fly. When in hardware mode, macros will be recorded to onboard storage, and in software mode, macros will be saved to the iCUE profile that you currently have active. To record a macro, press the function and backslash key for 2 seconds. The backslash key will begin to pulse red. Now type in your macro. The backslash key will blink red. Once you're done entering your macro, press the function and backslash key again. The backslash key will now rapidly blink red. And to assign this macro to a key, press the desired key on your keyboard, or press the function key and any key on your keyboard to save it to a function layer. You can also save to function layer 2 by holding the function key, the menu key, and the desired key that you wish to assign the macro to. If you want to cancel macro recording, simply press and hold the function key and backslash key for 2 seconds. To erase a recorded macro, simply go through the macro recording process, and when the backslash key is rapidly blinking red, press the key or function key combo of the macro that you want to clear. The K65 RGB Mini has a number of key and control shortcuts pre-programmed for Windows, full-size keyboard keys, audio and media, as well as mouse controls. And that's it. The Corsair K65 RGB Mini provides all the functionality of a full-size Corsair gaming keyboard in a compact package. For more information about the Corsair K65 RGB Mini, check us out at Corsair.com.